All right, Saturday, end of April, 27/8, something like that. Just came ashore, got my hard kayak with the skirt, inflatable kayak. I got 2 surfboards, and right now it's getting ready to blow 40 knots here shortly. We got gale force warnings. You can see little double red flags right over above here at the marina. Let's see if I can get right above that blue awning. They're going to blow 40 knots, gusting, and I got 2 boats secured. Threw a second anchor on the one that was out there further, and threw one more line on my nephew's boat. And now they're calling 7 to 9 foot is what they're calling on NOAA weather. They're usually not right, but either way, I'm going to be kayaking, surfing, and I got an inflatable kayak in there. So I got 2 of everything. What can go wrong? Anyway, I'm loving this little Pontiac I bought, and I call it my SUV, camper, the whole 9 yards. Took this thing all the way to California. My boy wanted this one, whitewater. Did a bunch of rafting, surfing, and marinas. Oh, Mile High Marina, that one's in Idaho, McCall, Idaho. It's an awesome place. Mile High. Play-Doh, the Ocoee River breakdown. That's a fun little river. I'll be doing that here shortly. And High Springs, Florida. It's a really nice freshwater spring. High times, good vibes. I dove with the Devil's Den. I did a video on that. I got my GoPro lined up. I should be able to get some videos out. See ya.